Here we are, done. Finally done. I'm moving slow for you guys, in case you got a wandering eye or something. Going over to sideshows to have him heat cycle it and all that. Can't remember how big the motor is, but it's pretty big. All our parts again, seat by Guys Upholstery. New Image did the gauge. Hydraulic clutch, our pipes, Loot Series. Boom. Our air ride with our swing arm, our center stand. Hey, we gotta get all the fingerprints off there. Pan head covers. That's what's up, baby. Those bolts come yet? No. Dirtytail. That's right. Get you some. We'll get it out in the sun and do another one. Got the blinkers inside the headlights. They blink right here. Our headlight. That's it, baby.